Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max versus iPhone 17 Air size comparison. According to the latest available data, exclusive fresh leaks reveal display sizes of the entire iPhone 17 lineup. One of the leakers has revealed an innovative design language for the flagship models, which supposedly provides better reception. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A new leaked image shows just how big the Apple iPhone 17 Air actually is, compared to the regular iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max models. Meanwhile, one of the leakers has revealed an innovative antenna design for the flagship model, which supposedly provides better reception. Compared to the iPhone 16 series, one model will be completely replaced. Obviously, the iPhone 16 Plus will not receive a direct successor. Instead, Apple is expected to introduce the ultra-thin model, the iPhone 17 Air. A new leaked image was posted by Majinbu official, allegedly showing the screen protectors for all four iPhone 17 variants side by side, comparing the sizes of Apple's upcoming smartphones. For example, the image shows the iPhone 17 Air sitting almost exactly between the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max in size, with the base model being only slightly smaller than the iPhone 17 Pro. However, the base model will likely have slightly larger bezels around the display. At around 0.22 inches tall, this model could be nearly 30% thinner than the iPhone 16 Plus. But with a 6.6-inch screen size, the device will also be slightly smaller than the 6.7-inch iPhone 16 Plus. The screen sizes of the other models are also revealed here, so the iPhone 17 series should offer the following four options. The base iPhone 17 will have a 6.1-inch display. The thinnest model, iPhone 17 Air, has a 6.6-inch diagonal. The premium version, iPhone 17 Pro, will receive a 6.3-inch screen, while the Supreme variant, iPhone 17 Pro Max, will get a top-of-the-line 6.9-inch display. What's more, the leaked site claims that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will feature a completely new design language. Instead of integrating the antennas for the 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 chip into a metal frame, they are placed around a significantly larger camera module. This could improve reception and signal strength, especially since users are less likely to cover the flagships with their hands. Also, the new iPhones will get a smaller dynamic island, giving users a larger visual experience. The official presentation of the Apple iPhone 17 series is expected on Tuesday, September 9th. The pre-orders are expected to open on Friday, September 12th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.